How to add a Samsung printer to a Mac. Step by step. Add Samsung printer to Mac 1. Connect the printer. Choose one of the following. USB. Plug the printer into your Mac. Wi-Fi. Connect the printer to your wireless network using its control panel. Ethernet. Connect the printer to your router using a network cable. Tip: make sure your Mac and printer are on the same network if using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Download the Samsung printer drivers, if needed. Samsung printer drivers are now supported by HP. Go to HP Samsung printer drivers for macOS. Search for your Samsung printer model, e.g., Samsung M2020. Download and install the macOS driver or HP Easy Admin if recommended. 3. Add the printer on macOS Open System Settings, macOS Ventura and newer, or System Preferences, older versions. Go to Printers and Scanners. Click the plus button to add a new printer. Select your Samsung printer from the list. If it shows up as Secure AirPrint or Generic, click Use, and manually select the correct driver, if available. Click Add. 4. Print a test page. Once added, try printing a test page to confirm it's working properly. Troubleshooting. Tips: printer not showing? Restart printer and Mac. Ensure printer is on and connected to the same network. Driver issues? Try using AirPrint if your model supports it. Download the HP Smart app as an alternative. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.